Hi, welcome to Stamp with Jini. Today I'm going to share my color wheel that I received during the Center Stage Leadership event last week at On Stage. Stampin' Up! Was kind enough to share a piece of our cardstock from every color that's going to be in our 2018 catalog. So let me set this aside and I'll show you what we've got coming. Okay, first up are our new in colors. This top row here shows you the new 2018-2020 in colors, and they are positively gorgeous. We've got Lovely Lipstick, Grapefruit Grove, Pineapple Punch, Call Me Clover, and Blueberry Bushel. Absolutely love them. They're bright, bold, fun. And then our current 2017-2019 in colors, the Powder Pink, Lemon Lime Twist, Tranquil Tide, Berry Burst, and Fresh Fig. Those are going to be our two in color families for the 2018 catalog. Our next group that Stampin' Up! Has introduced is the Basics. The Basics include Whisper White, Very Vanilla, and Basic Black. So these are in addition to our 4 color families and 2 sets of in colors, giving us a total of 53 colors. Next up are neutrals. Here are our 10 neutrals from the Neutrals collection. As you can see, we have a new color here, Mary Merlot. And while it's not what you consider a neutral typically, it's wonderful with this color palette and fits right in with the neutrals. Returning Early Espresso, Soft Suede, Crumb Cake, Sahara Sand, Gray Granite, a new color, Smoky Slate, Basic Gray, Mossy Metal, which is a returning in color, and Night of Navy. Beautiful together, right? And don't they make up a wonderful neutrals palette and colors that can be mixed with anything? Okay, and here's our Brights palette. Bright, cheerful, bold, I love it. We're going to start with Poppy Parade, which is a returning in color, Melon Mambo, Flirty Flamingo, which is a in color that's retiring this spring but being brought back into our Brights collection, Mango Melody, Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, one of our fun new colors that I just love. Coastal Cabana is a returning in color, and those of you who know me have been watching me sport my toenail polish for the last several years, so I'm excited about this one. Bermuda Bay, Pacific Point, and Gorgeous Grape. This is our Bright Colors collection. Okay, here are our soft subtles, and they are just that. They're beautiful together, I think, and they have a great variety of shades. So we've got Blushing Bride, Calypso Coral, Petal Pink, which is one of our new colors, and I think it's going to be fantastic for skin tones, So Saffron, Soft Sea Foam, another new color, Pear Pizzazz, Mint Macaron, which is one of our returning in colors. I'm excited about this, Pool Party, Balmy Blue, and Highland Heather. These last two are new colors that we've been given. So let me set the subtles aside and let me show you the regals. Okay, last but not least is our regals. We've got a rich color palette built for this fall and throughout the year. The first color here is Real Red, Cherry Cobbler, Cajun Craze, Pumpkin Pie, Crushed Curry, Old Olive, Garden Green, a new Shaded Spruce, which I just love, returning color Blackberry Bliss, and this one's been on everybody's wish list, I think, and Rich Razzleberry. That is the last 10 colors in our 4 color families. It doesn't mean that you can't keep using your favorite colors that are retiring with the 2017 catalogs. Stock up and get your cardstock and accessories and your inkers just like you would normally, so that you can continue using those favorite colors that are going away. Now let me show you the new ink pads. Here's our new ink pad. I was so excited when at On Stage they gave a new ink pad to every leader so that we could share them with you. Our retiring ink pad style is here on the left, and as always you push, you flip, and you slide in order to get the ink. And the ink, of course, is stored upside down, so the ink is on the top, ready to go every time. Stampin' Up! Explained to us that the mold for this was needing to be replaced, and so with the Color Revamp, it was a perfect time to introduce this new sleek case, and it is wonderful. It fits in your hand. As you can see, it's slightly smaller than the other one, and it's slightly slimmer also. But this one's much easier to use. So you're going to lift, and then you are going to slide this into the case. And isn't this wonderful? They've given us a sticker here on the inside of the case so that we can see what color we're using. And of course, our firm foam pad is still being stored upside down, so you've got the best inking possible happening when you ink up your stamp. And the great news about this is some of our lighter colors tended to bubble and foam a little bit, so our new reinkers are going to be made with a defoaming agent so that does not happen. And of course you're going to be able to use these new reinkers on your classic ink pad, so no worries there. To close this, you're simply going to pull and flip, and all done. So a much easier way to open your pads and more convenient for us. Now in the beginning, your pad might be a little tight, so you will require a little more effort to closing it, but as you use it, it'll loosen up and it'll flip easily for you and slide. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tour of our upcoming 2018 annual catalog Color Revamp and our new classic ink pad cases. Thanks for joining me.